Hi guys, I hope you are all fine. Today I'll give you how to edit like a effects on CapCut. Now start. Use both fingers to reach the video. Go to animation. Select rock vertical. Do all same. Go to vedio effects. Go to opening and closing. Now adjust start in the split area. Copy and paste in split parts. Adjust in the split areas. Now go to overlay. Select white overlay. White overlay put on your video. Adjust in the split area. Click blend. Adjust start in the clip. Copy and put and start in all clips. Go to transition. Select black fade. Select all black fade in transition part. Now done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.